We are in Matlock Bath. So Matlock Bath is a very cute town over here in Derbyshire, and it's basically like so close to Derby, where I live.
Yeah.
And Nishant is visiting me, so we thought of like it's like perfect opportunity for us. We've just been enjoying this city because it's so peaceful, it's so nice. And we were running late to the train station because we had booked a train for 10:30, and then
Woke up late and
Yeah.
then it was just like it's a thing with us now.
yeah.
Running late for the train's delayed.
Yeah, but anyway, we made it, and then
Yeah.
we were like just like a little panicky, but we did make it, and the train was a little like 1 or 2 minutes late.
To be fair, she was blowing the whistle when
Yeah.
we came in, and then we sat in the train and
Yeah.
we just sat there for 5 minutes
Yeah.
and we were like, what the hell?
Yeah, and we reached here at 11 because the train journey is like half an hour, which is like so convenient.
It's
and the
awesome.
tickets were like £5 return.
Too good.
And there's another option that you can take is a bus, and bus takes like 15 minutes, but we just thought it's like convenient to take a
Yeah,
train.
I think it's
So,
just a £1 difference, but the
Yeah.
amount of time you save with the
Yeah.
train is just yeah.
yeah,
Basically, the train journey was extremely scenic.
yeah, it
Like,
was so
both sides.
beautiful. Like if you want to like see the proper like countryside
Yeah.
of England,
It's lovely.
I think it's this is perfect.
It's literally like views on both sides.
Yeah.
It's great.
And yeah, this journey is beautiful, and as soon as we came here, it was the station. Can we talk about the station? It is so cute. Like
This is
it's
one
just
platform.
one platform, nothing else on that. But the way they've decorated it,
Yeah.
I mean, it felt like I'm in like a Paddington movie.
Yeah,
And I
it
said
was-
it in the train as well,
Yeah.
that it felt like we were in a Paddington movie because it's so cute.
Super cute.
And then we came outside, we saw like a map,
yeah.
and then we decided where to go. You are here.
You are here.
We took some like content as well because
Yeah.
as soon as we entered the town, it was just beautiful, and as soon as we came
Autumn
out,
leaves, yeah.
we did see like autumn leaves everywhere because obviously it's autumn. As you can see, literally over there, it's all
All the trees are like
peaceful,
lit up.
and yeah, we did see the cable cars as well.
Yes.
And you could actually do that. We're just not doing it because we just want like some peaceful time.
Yeah.
We're not really here to explore. We just
Yeah.
want to have like a nice calm time. And they are kind of expensive as well.
At
the cable
£26.
cars. Yeah. And it's basically to go to the height of Abraham,
Yeah.
which is like a fort or a castle, something
Yeah.
like that.
So when we reached here, we were initially like exploring options of like what to eat, etc. And we saw the town is so small, you could cover the entirety of it in like a couple of minutes.
Yeah.
Like 10 minutes max.
So we decided to come here initially because my colleagues kind of suggested me this place. When we came here, we actually saw that it's so peaceful, and it's just like a kind of getaway.
Yeah, definitely.
Just to get out of the city and the
I
hustle and bustle of the city life.
I completely agree though. It's little, but it's
Yeah.
very, very, very beautiful.
Yeah, we did see like a war memorial while
on the way.
coming as
Yeah.
well. If you Google Matlock Bath, it's basically like you'll see like some pretty pictures, and we went on that bridge and we took like a scenic photo from those. As we speak, we have a live YouTube audience as well. And we are right now sitting in the Derwent Gardens, and this is apparently called the Lovers Walk. which is very funny.
So on our walk towards like Lovers Walk and Derwent Gardens, we came from the Jubilee Bridge, which is like a really old bridge, and it has a sign like, you know, that this is an old bridge and it might fall, so like please be careful. And,
but we did click some like really nice
very
pictures.
Aesthetic. We saw a waterfall on the way here.
Oh yeah, we did see a waterfall as well, which was unexpected.
Yeah.
And it was was it a man-made waterfall?
No. It was natural because it was like falling through rocks. Like,
yeah. But it was very, very pretty.
Unexpected.
Yeah.
Rather.
Yeah.
It's so nice.
Yeah. Hello, we don't have food.
Look at the green on its neck.
I know.
Wow.
Really didn't expect to see a waterfall over here. मैं और मेरी तन्हाई अक्सर ये बातें करते हैं. Our little friends came up over here.
Get ready to run, just in case.
Our YouTube audience is coming to us, and I'm a little scared. Oh,
They're very peaceful.
Just stop it.
They're very peaceful, don't worry. They won't do anything. They're so cute.
I'm a little scared. Okay, you can eat. It's fine.
Fluffy clouds.
I think they're hungry and they're eating. We're hungry as well.
It's lunchtime.
Yeah. And so now, Matlock Bath is kind of like popular for fish and chips as well. So
that's what we've heard, and I've reviewed it a little. Yeah. So found a few places.
So we're gonna try that, and I'm gonna try that.
Rather, yeah.
You're gonna eat it.
I love fish and chips.
So basically, yeah, we're gonna have that, and then this is like a very cute place for families. Like there were a lot of people with like dogs,
walking their dogs,
their kids and stuff like that. So yeah, and the duck agrees as well. So yeah.
But yeah, we've just been like chilling here, and now I think the next step is to like head out and eat.
Definitely.
Yeah. This is what I have to deal with. Hey!
We spotted a fountain. So this is the bus stop to go to Derby, and there are two buses. I think the 6s and the Transpeak that comes over here, and this is basically named the Fish Pond Hotel. So yeah, if you want to take the bus, this is the station.
How beautiful is this tree? Like,
and me?
We got some really nice pictures, and
with that as well.
Yeah, there's like a waterfall and a random.
Yeah.
What are you doing here?
That is the waterfall right here, and this is the view of the city. My meal versus his meal.
Oh, come on.
But yeah, can't wait to eat all of this. We had an absolutely amazing meal, and our camera battery died. So I'm just like switched on to the phone just to end this vlog. But then we had an absolutely amazing day over here.
Definitely recommend anyone to come here just for a day.
And if you have any questions related to how to travel, where to have food, just let me know in the comments and I'll definitely answer them. So we're just walking towards our train station, which is literally just besides us, and we're just gonna wait for our train and then head home. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this vlog, and please give this video a huge like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.